morning, guys. I literally just woke up from a 12-hour sleep. It's the best. It is the best, but it hurts. My back hurts. First thing I did, I opened my YouTube account and I just found out that it's today. Today was the release. Okay. So, yeah. That's what we're gonna do. Without further ado, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa ulit tayo dito. Kasi na-excite ako. I love how catchy yung teaser trailer. And as usual, mataas ang expectation natin from the ABS-CBN output. So, we're going to react sa music video. Let's watch it. Ayan na! OMG! Okay, 3 minutes lang. Okay, let's go. So it's a heart syndrome. Oh, this one was the trailer. Gwen! Okay, wait. This is my morning routine. Excuse me. Posted 4 hours ago, pero 702,000 views. Oh my god. Blooms, here we go. Begin diagnosis.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it.
Ang ganda talaga ng voice, yung tone ni Stacy. Oh my goodness. Chika ko lang. Pinsan siya ng classmate ko nung college. Feeling ko medyo era to ni Stacy. Nagkikimbayas ka din si Stacy lately. Pansin ko lang.
Baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous.
She's so pretty!
I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Ala, ang ganda ng tone. I love it.
Cause you know I'm running it. I'm lost inside your world, you got that sense.
OMG, Maloy.
Like that, if you like to blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me get this on the dice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking of me.
Change outfit. Si Colette, naka-sombrero ulit.
Baby, he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy. Baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better amaze me.
Speechless yung tao.
At this spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting.
Gwen! Hindi. Malapit nang matapos yung tubig ko. OMG. Ang ganda!
I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like that. If you like me, think twice. Are you naughty or nice?
Grabe. Dito na yung dito na yung part na haircut si Sheena. Ang cute. Very Sarah G.
Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Ang cute. My Lord. Batangueña pride. I am from Batangas as well. Hello.
He's not even thinking of me.
Stacy, yung ganda mo. So pretty. I heard na si Stacy daw super ganda in person. Yung mga friends ko nakanood na sila ng concert ng Billy. Super ganda talaga in person.
Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby. Then just blink twice. If
My God. Aya is such an angel. super angelic talaga ng face niya.
You really like me. Then you gotta roll the dice. If you like
Ooh!
it, right? Are you naughty or nice?
Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. Parang ang simple, kung iisipin nyo, parang ang simple lang ng background. Very playful lang colors. Pero, ang catchy. Ang ganda ng yung colors ng lahat. Pansin niyo ba? Or ako lang?
Baby, add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you
Aww!
like it,
Yung leader, Joanna! Phase 3 na, affection completed. Love buzz confirmed. Ay!
he's not even thinking about me.
Oh my God!
Baby, he's just looking at me.
Tsaka if pansin niyo, diba, like yung eye is parang logo ng sa PBB. Ako lang ba din nakapansin nun? Ang cute.
He's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me.
Diba? Diba? Oh, ang cute! Yun yung bloom, yung flower. Super cute!
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Oh. Ano to? Merong connection to sa kung ano man sunod nilang ipapalabas. Or connection sa next nilang magiging music video. Ganun naman lagi, di ba, sa Bini? Kung ano yung ending fairy nila, yun yung connected sa next nilang music video. So, sino na ang nakanood ng Blink Twice? Taas ng kamay! So stream na natin. Tapos, I can't wait din to see yung kanilang performance video, dance practice nila. If, nagre-release pa sila ng dance practice? I can't remember. Anyway, sure may ilalabas din sila ng mga choreo nila, tapos may mga bagong dance craze na naman po tayo. I can't wait to do everything kasama yung Bini at saka mga blooms. I'm so happy na nangyayari to sa Pilipinas ngayon. Like, P-pop is everywhere. And yesterday, I just found out na meron palang YouTube account for P-pop groups. Meron silang mga fan cam, parang P-pop talents yung ini-endorse nila dun sa YouTube account. I can't wait to follow din yung account na yun. I forgot what account was it. Yung P-pop sa Pilipinas is talagang nagbo-bloom. Nagbo-bloom na ngayon. Super deserve talaga ng mga Filipino talents. Kasi hello, lagi ko sinasabi, iba talaga yung atake ng mga Filipino talents. Aminin nyo yan. Kailangan lang talaga ng suporta ng mga Pilipino at saka ng mga labels, mga directors, choreographers, diba? Yun lang naman din talagang sinasabi ng SB19 noon at noon pa man din. Pero, you know, keep pushing guys, lahat ng mga P-pop. Keep pushing. Bini is one of the products talaga pagka maganda yung support na binibigay. And, ang ganda! Ang ganda ng nilalabas nila. Diba? Walang tapon. Kahit balikan nyo yung mga old videos nila, maganda. Tapos lagi nag-i-improve. And they always listen dun sa mga fans nila na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. And yung output, diba? Yung mga concerts sila, 3D concert. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys around here. Bye!